Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how you can fix TikTok search not working. So to do that, open the TikTok application. The first thing you can do is you can restart the TikTok application. This will allow your device to reload TikTok resources and eliminate bugs or other glitches that may have occurred during use. You swipe upward and they remove the TikTok from background use. Tap open again. This might help you solve the issue. Now once that is done, what you can do is you can try using search filter. For that, once you open the TikTok, it turns out that if you play with the search filter, you can get the search feature to work and get the result that you wanted. The another process how you can do this is you can update your TikTok application. The version of TikTok installed on your device may have an underlying issue related to the search feature. To rule this out, check if there is pending updates for the TikTok application on your device and then install them. This might help you solve the issue you're having. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store. On the search bar, you type in TikTok, tap on search. As you can see, my application need to be updated. Tap on update and this might solve the issue of your search not working. Once the update is done, you can tap open your app. Now the last option how you can solve it is you can clear TikTok cache. If the update did not work, you could try clearing TikTok app cache. Some of the application temporary data may have gotten corrupted, causing some feature to malfunction. So what you can do to solve that is you go and tap on your profile. Once you're at the profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. From there, you need to tap on setting and privacy. Tap on it. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the cache and cellular, and there you need to tap on free up space. Tap that. Here you need to tap on clear button under the caches. Tap that. Clear. This will clear all the cache from your TikTok and it won't affect your TikTok experience as well. Once done, you can try using the bar again if the problem is solved. These are the few ways how you can fix TikTok search not working. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you.